नाउ चिल्ड्रन, और नंबर सिस्टम के बारे में ये जो सेकेंड वीडियो आपके पास आ रहा है, इसमें आप समझिए कि हम लोगों ने पढ़ा, वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर्स एंड इंटीजर्स, अ फ्यू फैक्ट्स. One thing is very sure that you may be understanding that all the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers are not natural numbers. Why? Because 0 is not a natural number. So that means smallest set is natural number which can be kept inside the box of whole numbers, but only 0 will be out of that. Then all the whole numbers are integers, but all the integers are not whole numbers. Which integers are not whole number? Negative integers. In negative, in integers we give negative signs also, negative numbers also we include. That means we take 0, 1, 2, 3 positive integers and 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 negative integers. 0 is known as non-negative integer. Alright, so these things you have to understand. That means all the whole numbers are integers, but all integers are not whole numbers. This you have to understand, the negative integers are not whole numbers. Now if we look at the number line which we have created over here, let us have a look. Number line. So suppose this is your house and you are going to east, say for example you are going east side, then after 1 kilometer there is your school, and then after 2 kilometers there is a shopping mall, and there is at 3 kilometers there is a cinema hall, and if you continue to go you may go to another city that side. So 0 basically is where you're staying, and if you move eastwards then you get to the 1, 2, 3, positive 1, 2, 3. But then if I come this side and if I go to the opposite side, that is the west side of my house, then I go this side, then I see there is a village area, then I see there is a farmhouse after 2 kilometers, then after 3 kilometers. So if I take east direction as positive, then I will take west direction as negative. So that is what is number line. You may, when you are traveling on a car or something like that, you see the place where you are staying, your house or some of the cities, there is a 0 mile. So that city, as soon as that place is known as, that is the center of the city. So that is 0 mile. But normally when you move ahead, you see these kilometer stones. Yeah, normally in the 0 miles we don't write negative because the references are different. But you try to understand another way around also, is that suppose you are going, say for example your city is Patna, Delhi is this side and Calcutta is this side, then you will express, if you express the distance from your house to Delhi positive, then in reference to that, in reference to Delhi, you have to tell Calcutta is negative. Alright, that means suppose Delhi is 400 kilometers for you from your house, then you say, yes, if my house, if I am talking about my house and Delhi is plus 400, then Calcutta is minus 400, like that. You have to tell kilometers away. So the direction, when it comes, then we show when the direction is mentioned, then we can understand the concept of positive and negative numbers. And on number line you try to see, once again I am telling, if you take east side as positive, then you take west side as negative. So that is the first thing. So now gradually I'll add on the concept of now rational numbers. What are rational numbers? See, when people started talking about this whole thing which they are having, some of the times they may be having half of the things. I just now give you an example. You're traveling on the road. When you're traveling on the road, now suppose your house is, you are here just right in the middle of this place. Right in the middle of this place, your car is stopped here, right at the middle of, between 0 and 1 kilometer. So what is that? That is half a kilometer. That is half a kilometer. So normally how we express 1 by 2. Or suppose you are just here, say for example you are at 750 meters. Now here to here is here to here there is 1 kilometer. And you are at 750 meters. That means you are 3 by 4 kilometers away from your house. So the concept of now rational numbers crops in. So here you see, what is 3? 3 is an integer. What is 4? 4 is also an integer. So what is a rational number? Any number which is expressed in form of p by q. P by Q what? P is a rational number, P is an integer and Q is an integer. Once again let us have a look. Suppose you are coming backwards from your house, you started and one person has got forwards and another person on a jeep is coming here. So what is this? Suppose the person is right in the middle between 2 kilometers and minus 2 kilometers and minus 3 kilometers. So first he is negative and then he is 1 by 2 kilometers away from the home, and that is equal to 2 to the 415 minus 5 by 2 kilometers away from the 0 mile. So now the negative 5 by 2 comes over here. Now this is what this minus 5 is an integer and 2 is also an integer. So when numbers are expressed in form of P by Q, when numbers are expressed in form of P by Q, then they form the rational number. Now you have to define P and Q. Then what you will say? P is an integer and Q is an integer. That is very very important. Now अब धीरे धीरे क्या हो रहा है कि हमने रैशनल नंबर का डेफिनेशन तो दे दिया, नंबर्स इन फॉर्म ऑफ P by Q, बट Q जीरो नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि जीरो का डिवीजन मीनिंगलेस होता है. तो यहाँ पर लिखना पड़ेगा Q is not equal to 0. I will put this as rational number. Just a second, rational numbers, and I will put Q is not equal to 0. P and Q are integers. So ये complete definition हुआ rational numbers का. अब आप complete definition rational number का क्या लिखेंगे? All those numbers which can be expressed in form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 are rational numbers. Are you following? और rational number का set अब आ गया हमारे पास, एक नया set आ गया rational number का. I will try to put it here. Let us see. Q is equal to, मैं try करता हूँ -3 dot 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 -3 -2 -1 -1 by 2 0 1 by 2 1 2 3 डॉट 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 डॉट. सो यहाँ पर मैंने मिक्स कर दिया है. तो मिक्स कर दिया क्या मतलब? मेरे पास सब चीज़ अब आ गया यहाँ पर. लेट अस सी. मेरे पास 1 2 3 नेचुरल नंबर था, उसमें 0 ऐड कर दिया, होल नंबर आ गया. उसमें नेगेटिव -1 2 3 के इंटीजर आ गया. उसमें बीच बीच में अब हमने रैशनल नंबर डाल दिया. तो हमारे पास Q आ गया सेट ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ सेट ऑफ रैशनल नंबर में एक चीज़ बड़ी मज़ेदार चीज़ आ गई, एक एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ आ गई. सेट ऑफ रैशनल नंबर इज क्लोज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. ओनली डिवीजन बाय ज़ीरो इज़ नॉट डिफाइंड. सो बट आई हैव सेड रैशनल नंबर के में तो Q ज़ीरो होगा नहीं डिनोमिनेटर में. So the set of rational number is closed with respect to all the four basic mathematical operation: adding, subtraction, multiplication and division. ये एक important बात आपको समझना. अब एक और चीज़ समझना है, यहाँ पर क्या इंटीजर को भी हम रैशनल नंबर कह सकते कि नहीं? यस, हम 2 को अपने मन से ऐसे तो लिख सकते हैं 4 by 2. तो ये तो P by Q के फॉर्म में है, ये तो P by Q के फॉर्म में है. तो या हम 8 को लिख सकते हैं 8 by 1, या हम 8 को लिख सकते हैं 24 by 3. तो हमने भी तुरंत पढ़ा है कि all those numbers which can be written in form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0 are what? Are rational numbers. तो ये भी तो rational number हो गया. यानी यहाँ पर फिर बेसिक अपने दिमाग को स्थिर करके समझेंगे कि रैशनल नंबर दो तरह से, दो नंबर का एक्चुअली में ग्रुपिंग है. पहला है जो नॉर्मल इंटीजर्स हैं, वो क्योंकि उनको भी बाई 1 तो कम से कम लिख सकते हैं, यानी उनको भी P by Q के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. और दूसरा है जो इंटीजर्स नहीं हैं, जो कि फ्रैक्शंस हैं, फ्रैक्शंस विच आर नॉट इंटीजर्स, लाइक 1 by 2. 1 by 2 1 by 2 इज़ नॉट एन इंटीजर. 1 by इंटीजर का एक्चुअली मतलब होता है कंप्लीट, माइनस या प्लस, लेकिन कंप्लीट. अगर कोई आपसे कहेंगे कि आपके पास 2 आम हैं तो 2 कंप्लीट आम. ये आपके पास 2 आम उधार है तो -2, बट फ्रैक्शन जैसा है तो वो कंप्लीट नहीं। इफ आई से यू हैव 1/2 मैंगो, दैट मीन्स यू हैव गॉट हाफ ऑफ मैंगो। तो ये चीज़ को पहले समझना जरूरी था। तो डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? सबसे पहले नेचुरल नंबर को हम लोग n से डिनोट करते हैं, होल नंबर को w से, इंटीजर को z से बाय कन्वेंशन, एंड q को रैशनल नंबर को व्हाट टू से इंटीजर्स को z से और रैशनल नंबर को q से। थैंक यू। We'll come with more videos now.